Oh my God! I will going to report to authority. I saw a man stabbed in our neighborhood.
Okay, where is the location of the crime scene?
In Angay Street, Block 4.
Okay, I will go together with Barangay. Let's all rise. Court is in session for the trial of the state versus Husayen. Prosecution may proceed with presenting its evidence.
Thank you, Your Honor. I call upon the witness, Mr. Jomari, to the stand. Please raise your right hands and put your left hand in the Bible. Repeat after me. I do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare and affirm that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
Mr. Jomari, could you please tell the court what you witnessed on the night of the 23rd of August?
Yes, I know that it been Mr. Husayen near the Senate required approximately 9 p.m. that night. He appeared to TTT and was holding a knife.
Your Honor, I would like to submit Exhibit A and Evidence A. Photograph taken by a nearly security camera and dimension type. As we can see in the photograph, a clearly show independent at the crime scene, holding the weapon and describe a witness. Objection, Your Honor. The quality of the M's is too poor. The underlying of my client.
Overall, the photograph will admitted into evidence.
Furthermore, I would like to present Exhibit B. The weapon recovered at the scene with the burst Mr. Husayen of fingerprint. Your Honor, this weapon was found with Mr. Alcer fingerprints on it, linking him directly to the crime. Objection, Your Honor. The chain of custody of the evidence has not been adequately established.
Sustained. The prosecution need to establish the chain of custody for the Exhibit B.
I call upon Mr. Alcer Barangay to the stand.
Ang Alcer de Barangay, and was responsible for the collecting the weapon of the crime scene. I secured it in the evidence bag and handed it over the evidence department in accordance with our standard procedure.
Thank you, Officer Barangay. Your Honor, I believe this establishes a chain of custody for Exhibit B.
The chain of custody has been sufficiently established. The weapon Exhibit B is submitted into the evidence.
No further question for the witness, Your Honor.
That is the defense of any cross-examination.
Yes, Your Honor.
In a courtroom drama, the state versus Hussain, the trials unfolds as the prosecutor endeavors to prove Mr. Hussain guilt. Witness Mr. Jomari. Prescribed seeing Mr. Hussain near the crime scene, agitated and holding a weapon. The prosecutor introduced a camera photo showing Hussain. The scene contested by the defense due to poor image quality. Exhibit B. The recovered weapon with Mr. Hussain's fingerprint. Faces objection regarding a chain of custody. Officer Alcer Barangay established the chain of custody. Validating the weapon of municipality, the defense begins cross-examination, setting the stage for ripping battle of evidence and interpretation. As a trial progresses, the courtroom dims with tension, each piece of evidence shaping fate of Mr. Hussain in a high state of legal showdown.
The role play in presentation of evidence in courts align with criminal procedures by illustrating the process of introducing evidence, examining witness, and honoring rules of admissibility in showcase the significance of testimony and exhibits, and contracting a case, emphasizing the importance of proper procedure and weight of evidence in determining legal outcomes in criminal proceedings.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Edlin G. Valiesa, student in your subject CLG 5, Section 11.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Alcer G. Barangay, student of your subject CLG 5, Section 11.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Jomari P. Hussain, student in your CLG 5, Section 11.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Perry Angelo Liaban, student in your subject in CLG 5, Section 11.